Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Master Slice, and on this show, I'm gonna try to show you what to do when you get a brand new drum set, or even a used one. This one, the kids got for Christmas. When you set them up, if you're right-handed, like put the hi-hats here. Put the hi-hats here. Smaller tom-tom, medium tom-tom, and then your bigger floor tom here. And make sure that when you place them that it's comfortable, like this one right here, it's a little too close. If I'm going really fast, I'm going to hit my knuckle on that. So stack that up right there. Make it a little easier. Try it out again. It's a lot easier. Now, that's all I can really say. Oh, and another thing, make sure your heads are kind of tight on top. They could be a little more loose on bottom than on top, and make sure that they're evenly tight all the way around. I can tell you right now that this head has been beaten on a lot, and it's not right now. It's pretty loose, so I need to get a key for that. And it's easier to do with your fingers. You know, feel that. Make sure that's all nice and dandy. And then make sure this and your seat and everything is nice and comfy, you know. A little more comfortable. I know the sound's going to be all distorted and it's going to be messed up, but I'm going to try to do this very little anyway. Slow, good. Being able to play nice, smooth, soft, still get yourself off, not pissing everybody else off around you. And that's how you set up your drum kit by Master Slice. Peace out.